My son and I finished installing the Falcon 3 camera system. Been very pleased with it. It has been a great asset in the miles that I drive, even though I'm not a big rig driver anymore. Very thankful for the system and looking forward to the protection it will give me in the future. We're installing the 3-camera DVR. This is where we're mounting it on the windshield, and we are stuffing the cable into the headliner, and it just slides in. This is a 2016 Dodge Ram 1500. I took the side panels off. There are 2 bolts and take the side handle off. Be careful of the airbag. And all your extra cable can be stuffed down into a pocket here. And then we will connect to the camera by coming in, simply pulling off the panel. It just clips in. Taking these 3 bolts off to remove your mirror, and running your cable through the wire hole. And then we have the camera mounted on the mirror. There's a little gap right here where the wire can come in. Only drilling I had to do was for the camera mount. The camera then shows at this point down the side of the pickup. We've removed the side panel. Again, be careful of the airbag. And getting ready to remove the mirror to run the camera through. We've already mounted the camera. And so far, only drilling we've done has been the 2 screws to hold the mount up. Once you get that placed, you can peel the sticky and make it even more durable. But now we're going to run the wire into the headliner here. And it's very simple because it just pops up and we just run the wire down and it is in the headliner. Don't have to take that off. Now we'll place the rest of this wire again into this vacant spot that's here. And I found on the other side I needed to make this longer and thinner to make it to work. We'll see how this works this time. This time there wasn't as much wire inside here, so I was able just to stuff that whole wad into that spot, and it will cover up good. Now we sit there, mount, connect your, again, just double checking to make sure the camera is working. As it starts up, there you have the rear view, the left and the right and the left, and your front camera. 3 nuts so we can remove the mirror and feed the wire through the hole that's already been provided. You need a 10mm socket for this to work. That takes care of the mirror and the handrail for the 2016 Dodge Ram. I've removed the nuts, and now we pull the mirror off, and there's a little catch right up here on the top that, a little spring catch, and then let your mirror drop. This just comes right off, and as you can see, there's a little place for the, it's a kind of a little drain hole. There's a place for the cable can run in there. You run it through the same hole that your other wires are coming through. Oh. You want to get around this last bolt. And then put everything back together.